Hey, what's going on, everybody? Super Beast here with another episode in my beautiful 5S lean garage. That's sarcasm, by the way. But I am working on it, and today I'm trying to improve a little bit here and there. So I wanted to bring you guys along on the journey today, just because I don't really have a lot of content right now, because we're kind of in the middle of everything happening. So stuff happened here, stuff's gonna happen here, and we're right in that window. So I wanted to use the garage as kind of a filler. And some of you guys like this stuff and have messaged me about it already and given me ideas. So, good on you. Someone messaged me about my garbage can, which triggered what I'm doing today. They said, well, why don't you put the garbage can underneath here if it fits? And I said, that is a great idea. And I don't know why I didn't think of that, but that kind of, rounds last segment. Because last segment, I did the bolt bin. So today I am tackling floor space. That is what the garbage can ignited, was floor space. And I am a heckler for organization and cleanliness, and a lot of you reached out to me and said, look, your garage is clean compared to mine. And I don't think it is. I just don't think my garage is that trophy worthy, if you will. But if you recall, the Jag wheels and tires were here. They are now gone. I moved them out of the garage, so that is going to obviously increase a ton of workspace. I have two 2JZs here. If I wasn't such a hoarder, I'd probably sell them, but I just don't know. Then the little mouse in the back of my head was like, what if something happens to the engine in the Supra? Then you got 2 blocks here you could build, or why don't you just build one on the side for fun, make a YouTube video out of it? And I'm like, yeah, that's a good idea. I'll just keep them. But where the heck am I going to put 2 500-pound blocks other than the garage? I wish I could hang them from the ceiling or something, but that's obviously not an option. So, Jag wheels and tires are gone. I'm going to try and clear that area up. I'm going to move all of this over more into that corner. I don't know if I'm going to keep that little guy there. I might move that elsewhere, and I'm going to put a nice Mac Tools or Husky box or something there with a nice counter space that's level, and it has tool drawers, because I think I could get away with something like that with all the tools I have, because a tool chest is a must. That'll help with floor space. As you can tell over there, all my extra tool kits and all that are on the floor. So today is going to be a journey of that. I'm going to show you guys, I guess, after that's taken care of, maybe the corner. But I did want to mention something. The Foresters. The Foresters are on the way, literally. The silver one that my wife purchased a week after mine shipped first. I'm pissed off about that. Not really, but it's just like, what? I bought mine a week before yours, and yours got on the ship a week before mine. What? So anyway, hers left the motherland on the 19th. Mine left on the 27th of April. Hers will land May 6th, West Coast. Mine will land May 12th. So I'm hoping we get hers first, because I got to sit in customs for a couple days and then they get shipped up here. So we should get one, probably I'm going to say the 10th, her silver one, give or take. And then we should get mine probably the 20th, give or take. And my birthday is the 18th, so that might work out kind of cool. I bought myself a big birthday present. So yeah, that's the news on the Foresters. Supra is registered, insured, ready to go. I've already driven it once and it was awesome. And it barely rubs. And I say barely rubs, it really doesn't rub. I just hit a really big dip on the highway and I just kissed it. But this corner still needs to be adjusted to be lifted up. Probably a 1/4 of an inch. Once that 1/4 of an inch is lifted up, I don't think it'll rub at all. So super happy about that. I can actually enjoy my car this year. So that's good. And a new exhaust is on the way for the Supra. So stay tuned for that. See what I purchased that does not parasitically take away power, because it's not restricting exhaust, but it's way quieter, which I love the system on it right now, but I just don't want to be, I just want to avoid the cops. So that's my main goal with that. But I'm going to get to work here, clean it up a bit, and I'm going to have this nice, clean stretch of workshop pretty soon. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So I spent about 20-25 minutes just cleaning it up, and I'll see what you think. So what I did is I obviously moved the garbage bin that was here. It allowed me to put my air compressor there, which I still don't love. I would rather have a total walking space here, but I'm hoping that once this is all moved, I can reallocate this appropriately. But there, it's okay. It makes sense because the plug-in is right there for it. So if I need to use this or plug it in, it's right there instead of being right here and the cord reaching, blocking the stairwell. I have a spot for my rolling stools. There is nothing on the ground here. So when me and my wife come back with groceries and the Jag, we can just walk right up the stairs. I did find a piece of wood. I almost threw it out, but then I forgot that this is probably $200 right now due to the lumber prices. So I'll definitely be keeping that. I kind of just put a little bit of the junk items previously on the stairs, like my old coilover stuff. So don't worry about that. That's all going. Garbage bin is under there, and it's easily accessible. When I'm working on the cars, working on something, I could just literally pull it out, use it, put it back. That's what 5S is all about, organizing. So I'm going to put a screenshot of 5S here because I've been asked a few times what it is and what it means. And it's basically just organizing, cleaning, getting rid of waste. You know, if you think about it, it's waste right away. There's a lot of that in this garage, trust me. But it's a work in progress. It's not going to be a snap of the fingers, boom, you have a Mr. Clean garage, right? So in this corner here, I put the 2 JZs, and I put, this is again temporary, I put my dollies there, which I don't love. I'm going to find a spot on the shelf for them. Just not sure where yet. And so my jack and my ramps are going to go in the corner here. Again, this is not ideal. I'm just going to push the ramps when I'm off camera here, just tighter. But it opens it up huge. Like I gained an extra probably 10 square feet in this corner just doing that. I put my oil bottle at the bottom there with my pump. Again, it's going to be reorganized, but at least it has a spot right now, which is important. I know where it goes. It's easily accessible. I can get it. I can put it back. I know where it goes. So that's another thing. Everything has to have a spot. And that's kind of where I'm going with this right now, is that everything has a spot. Before it felt like there was floaters and it was itching at me, itching at my core. So now that that is taken care of, garage floor space has been initiated, I can move on. So that's awesome. Someone bought a O2 sensor. This thing's brand new. I bought it for the Supra. I don't know, maybe some of you guys recall, and I just put it in the downpipe just as a placeholder. I don't even know why I bought this, but it's been with me for like 1.5 years, 2 years. So someone purchased this, sending this off. Just gonna wrap it up and send her away to Toronto. And yeah, like I'm super impressed. Let's go see what it looks like from over here. So I don't know what you guys think. A lot of you have already told me that my garage is pretty clean. I think it's clean, but I just feel cluttered, and I don't feel like it's my dream garage yet. And that's really what I'm trying to get after. I'm trying to get this clean so I can do the floors. I want to really put down a nice coat down on the floors. and finish potentially the drywall and have a real man cavey, masculine man cave garage. I actually don't know if that's what I'm going for, but I just want a clean garage. That's what I want. I want a clean, shimmering garage that you know and I know will get dirty and bug the hell out of me. That's what I want. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. It's probably been 8 minutes of me just talking. I just wanted to give you guys an update, show you that I'm still working on the garage and the 5S stuff. There's a lot of stuff to do. I haven't even nicked the surface yet, but I think most of it will happen after the floor is done and when I do get the extra workbench cabinet, which I don't know where that's gonna go either. So, or a big toolbox, one of the two. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Expect some Foresters in the near future. Silver one's gonna be here, then my black one, and it's gonna be a whole new video series, just like the STI was. And then this, Supra, all the fluids, STI, Forester 1, Forester 2. It's gonna be exciting. You guys don't wanna miss it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, everybody, peace.